Hi, this is Mason from Carns Equipment. This here we have a 2016 Honda Pioneer 500. It does have the worn winch with the KFI open trail 60-inch blade that can be angled. You do have your tip out poly windshield, your mirrors that are adjustable. You have your roof. You have your manual wiper, your rear view mirror. Now this does feature a paddle shift that is stationary. So key feature, stationary paddle shift. Now on the rear, you have your polycarbonate rear panel with 2 spotlights in the back for your reverse. You will have your rack. It's not a dump bed. You will have a rack. Solid unit. The inside, you will have your instruments for the light bar that is on the front, and your winch controls. So now you can find this unit at carnsequipment.com. Phone number 814-765-5684. Get a hold of us.